Have you ever noticed something strange? A few years ago, you were convinced that if you could just earn a little more money, life would finally feel comfortable. Maybe you told yourself, if I could make a little more every month, everything would be easier. Then it happened. You got a raise, you found a better job, your income increased, and for a moment, it felt amazing. But then something weird happened. That excitement faded fast. Now you're earning more than before, but somehow you still don't feel rich. You still worry. You still check your bank account. You still feel like you need more. Why? Where did all the extra money go? And why does the finish line keep moving further away? Today we're going to explore one of the biggest psychological traps in modern life, a trap that affects almost everyone. The reason earning more money often doesn't make you feel wealthy, and the simple mindset shift that changes everything. Let's start with a simple question. Imagine someone offered you a raise tomorrow. How would you feel? Probably excited. Most people would, because our brains are constantly telling us something. More money will solve the problem. And sometimes that's true. If you're struggling to pay rent, if you're drowning in debt, more money absolutely helps. But after your basic needs are covered, something unexpected happens. The target moves. Psychologists call this adaptation, but there's an easier way to think about it. Imagine getting your favorite dessert. The first bite feels incredible. The second bite is still good. The 10th bite, not quite as exciting. Your brain gets used to it. Money works the same way. The first salary increase feels life-changing. The 5th one feels normal. The 10th one becomes expected. What once felt like luxury becomes ordinary. And once something feels ordinary, it stops making us feel rich. But adaptation is only half the story, because there's another invisible force working against you every day, and it's far more powerful. Let's imagine two versions of the same person. Version 1 earns $2,000 a month. Version 2 earns $8,000 a month. Who feels richer? Most people instantly say version 2, but that's not always true. Here's why. As income rises, expenses often rise too. This is called lifestyle inflation. You earn more, so you upgrade. A better apartment, a nicer car, more subscriptions, more dining out, more travel. Nothing wrong with these things. The problem is what happens next. They become normal. Soon you stop noticing them, but the bills remain. Now your lifestyle costs more to maintain. And suddenly, the raise that once felt huge feels small again. It's like running on a treadmill. You move faster, but somehow stay in the same place. And then social comparison enters the picture. That's where things become really dangerous. Imagine you make $100,000 a year. 10 years ago, that would have sounded amazing. But then you open social media. Someone bought a bigger house. Someone else bought a luxury car. Someone is vacationing on a tropical island. Suddenly your success feels smaller, not because your life changed, but because your reference point changed. Humans rarely judge wealth by absolute numbers. We judge it relative to other people. This is why someone earning $50,000 can feel rich, and someone earning $500,000 can feel poor, because wealth is often measured emotionally, not mathematically. Think about that. The feeling of being rich isn't always connected to how much money you have. It's connected to what you're comparing yourself against. And comparison has no finish line. There will always be someone with more. A bigger house, a newer car, a larger business, a larger investment portfolio. Always. So if earning more isn't enough, and comparison never ends, how do people ever feel wealthy? The answer starts with a surprising question. Imagine two people. Person A earns $5,000 per month. spends $4,900. Person B earns $3,000 per month, spends $1,800. Who is wealthier? Most people focus on income, but wealth is not just income. Wealth is freedom. And freedom comes from the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Person B has something powerful: margin, options, breathing room, the ability to say no, the ability to survive setbacks, the ability to choose. That's what money is really supposed to buy: choices, not just stuff. The people who feel richest are often not the people earning the most. They're the people who need the least to be happy, because every dollar they earn creates more freedom, not more pressure, not more obligations, not bigger monthly payments, freedom. And that's a completely different game. The biggest lie about money is that the next income level will finally make you feel rich. For most people, it doesn't, because the brain adapts. Lifestyle expands, comparison grows, and the finish line keeps moving. The goal isn't to endlessly chase more. The goal is to build a life where enough actually feels like enough. Because feeling wealthy isn't about how much money passes through your hands, it's about how much control you have over your life. And that feeling can't be purchased with a raise alone. It comes from awareness, it comes from intention, and it comes from understanding the game you're playing. So here's a question for you. If your income doubled tomorrow, would you truly feel rich? Or would your definition of rich simply move again? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple lessons on money, psychology, and building real wealth. Because sometimes the smartest financial move is changing the way you think.